Zika virus. Introduction. Zika virus often causes no symptoms. Select true or false. Correct. Many people do not know they have Zika virus once they are infected. Which of the following are ways Zika virus can be spread? Choose one of the following options. 1. Through mosquito bites. 2. Through sexual contact. 3. Through blood transfusions. 4. All of the above. Correct. Zika can also be passed from a mother to her fetus during pregnancy. Sometimes this can lead to severe complications after the baby is born. Most people recover from Zika virus within a few weeks. Select true or false. Correct. Getting plenty of rest and drinking lots of fluids can help you recover. How can you help prevent Zika virus? Choose one of the following options. 1. Wearing protective clothing. 2. Staying in places with screened windows and doors. 3. Wearing insect repellent. 4. All of the above. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.